right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and talk about how you're going to upload your new files to GitHub. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the Windows Mac version of this, probably actually just the Windows. So when you go to add files, you can upload your files. And when you choose your files, what you should be able to do in your Windows version here is you should be able to click on index and click on the CSS folder. And maybe it doesn't do the CSS folder, but well, we'll talk about that more in a minute. So what you can do when you choose your files, you've updated your index page. Therefore, you should be able to just go ahead and upload your index.html and commit the change. So you're not going to see a new file. You're just going to see your regular index.html, but what it should render as, and if sometimes it takes a second for this to update. It's not always real time, but if you click your GitHub link, actually you will see the new version of this, and you'll see all the CSS is gone in this case, because indeed we didn't upload the CSS file yet. So let's go ahead and hit that back button and go back to our repository. So much scrolling. All right, so what we're going to do, we'll do is just both the same for everybody. So we've uploaded our new index. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new file. We're going to create a CSS folder on our server, and we're going to call blank.txt my favorite file, just essentially so we can create our CSS folder. So blank.txt, txt is a text file, and we're going to go ahead and commit that change. So now we actually, you can see, have a CSS directory on our server here. So what we're going to do now is we can just do add file. We're going to upload our CSS file, portfolio.css. So we commit our change, and now you should see in your home repository, your index and your skeleton, you should have a CSS folder that now has your blank.txt and your portfolio.css. This is just blank. We can delete that. We'll just do whatever. But now, if you have that directory structure set up and you refresh, you should actually be able to see that your actual CSS applies again. And that's how you'll know you're successful, is once you upload all these files, everything kind of looks the same with our navigation, and you can see our transitions working here. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will help you through. Otherwise, I'll see you for our next page coming up soon.